Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by grabbing the tester and a clean blotter or wrist. Do this now. Spray once from about 5 to 10 centimeters away so the concentration is accurate. This prevents overwhelming the notes. Once done, wait a few seconds and waft the card toward your nose instead of burying it. This reveals top notes without nose fatigue. Make sure to note the time. Early impressions tell you what greets you, and they matter for later comparisons. You now watch the perfume evolve. Top notes appear immediately and tell you the initial character, so breathe gently and note brightness or sharpness. After 20 to 40 minutes, make sure to assess the heart notes. This is where the personality settles, and you should compare multiple testers in sequence. Once done, check the dry down after 1 hour to 2 hours to understand longevity and base accord. If fragrances are close, revisit the wrist or strip after rest to confirm your preference. You finish by deciding based on how the scent sits on you, its lasting power, and sillage. Try to imagine real-world wear throughout a day. If your perception is muddled, take a short break and smell coffee grounds or step outside for fresh air to reset. This clears olfactory fatigue. Make sure to avoid overtesting. When in doubt, rest 24 hours before reevaluating similar fragrances so you return with an impartial sense of which tester truly suits you.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.